In 300 meters, turn right onto Albert Street East. Signs for County Road 45.
Okay, we're off. So I'm gonna head around the north side of the lake. It's going straight north. It's a little longer drive, but it gives me the option of going into Peterborough. Okay, well, I'm all settled in, but I gotta say, this one is nothing really to look at, to see. Okay, I'm all packed up, ready to go. It's a nice spot, very nice spot. This is spot number 2. Today will be spot number 3 for tonight, for what, the next 2 days, I guess. God, I need a shower. Yikes. I need a shower, but I didn't have what I needed here right now to do that. So maybe tonight I'll have power. The reason that is because the only hot water I can get is if I have electric power. I don't like cold showers. It's too, I don't know, don't like it. Why do I get the impression that I'm missing something? I don't know why, but I just feel like I'm missing something. Like a door is open inside or something. I know I locked the fridge. I should show you where the fridge got all banged up because the door swung open, snapped the retainer, and smashed into the cabinets and put 2 big dents into the door. Not my finest moment. Still am going into Peterborough. I gotta do laundry. I gotta. I'm somebody who's very anal that way. Same with washing. I always use wet wipes. I'm only telling you all this because I kind of want you to get the feel for what it would be like living out here. You can't shower every day, so I use wet wipes. I wipe myself down, same as I did on trail. Wipe myself down every day. I don't like to offend people, Same with, I wear deodorant every day on trail too. People used to laugh at me about that, but you know what? It was one of my little luxury items. Okay, well, I think I'm here. It's definitely a farm. I'm gonna knock on the door and see if anybody's around. Okay, I think they want me to set up in a parking lot for their country store. I'm getting that impression. Anyway, she said go to the parking lot, so let's go over. The Buff store. I've never tried it. They have buffalo dairy, buffalo ice cream, buffalo milk. This should be interesting. Let's go check these little guys out over here. Just laying in the water. You gotta respect that, eh? They look pretty comfortable in there. They just seem like regular cows to me. They also seem a lot cleaner than regular cows to me. That's impressive. And the milk, the gelato is amazing. These guys look pretty comfy. They're trying to get out of the heat, I guess. The calves over here, not so much. They seem to enjoy the heat, I guess. They're just lying around, and it's going to get really hot today, so I can see why they're doing this. These are all mamas with their calves. So I don't know where I'm going. I'm just going to kind of fake it, I guess. This place is much bigger than it looks from the outside. I'm not sure where I'm allowed to go. Well, let's go this way. I see a sign. So this is it. Oh no, these are the vats where they hold it. Sure smells like a farm, let me tell you. Oh, look at this. Okay, you can see them back there in their pen. I'm not sure I'm allowed to go in here.
No.
Okay, I see now. They explained to me that this is the aquatic. And they have water, but it's dry right now, so. But look at how clean this is. This is pretty impressive. And look, we got one over here. A water buffalo laying down. A mama. Hi, mama. What you doing? You look very pregnant. Hope you're comfortable. Wow. I guess they're feeding them, or hey, how's it going? What you doing? You're big. You're a big girl. Yes, you are. What you doing? What you doing? Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Yeah. Okay. I'm scared of her. I'm scared of you. Yeah. No? Okay, I won't pet you. I won't pet you. It's okay. Okay, we head back around this side. Okay, so I see the sign number 5. It says Baby Buff Barn. Not quite sure what that's about, but let's check it out. Wow, they got so many of them here, eh? How you doing? Okay, so that was the Baby Buff Barn right here. Now, number 6 over here is Moms to Be. Look at this one's coming over to say hello. This one, her horns are a little different. So I guess these ones are all pregnant. Here comes another one. And that one has no horns. I wonder what the horns are about. Hey, you want pets? Do you want pets? Yeah. Yeah. You're pretty. You got a lot of flies on you. Yeah. Little bench for watching over them. Oh, here comes one. Here comes one. How you doing? You coming to see me? Hey. You're just a little baby. Oh, you want water? Okay. Hey, how you doing? Yeah. Yeah. Nice to meet you. Very nice to meet you. You are 961. You are Hugo. Hugo. You all have names. I love that. Now they're all coming over. They all want pets. Yeah. Hey, buddy. Sniffing me out. You're sniffing me out. Seeing if I got treats. Okay, I gotta go. This is too much. So I'm thinking that's the end of the tour. The self-guided tour. And this was pretty amazing. I love this place. This is the bomb. I should come up with a scoring system. So like the first place I was at, Jim Bob, Marsden, on the reservation, I would give that one a 9 out of 10. The last one I went to in a field was nice. It didn't have all the extra things to look and see, so I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. This one here, definitely a 10 out of 10. This is the bomb. I love this. And they can have up to like 15, 20 campers here at any given time, which is pretty cool. So let's go in, relax a bit, have another coffee, and plan out the day. Today we're heading east more. I get in the shade here. It's hot. So yeah, today gonna head east. Not very far, maybe 20 minutes, half hour. And then from there, I guess I've got 2 more nights, and then I have to drop the camper off. And then I'm literally sleeping in my truck. This has got me a little concerned. And that's going to be for what, like 5 days. I'm going to see if I can either get a campsite or go see friends in Ottawa. I have many friends over the years because I was there. I was in Ottawa for almost 10 years. So I'll just go check it out, see what's going on. I have to stay in the area while the camper's being dealt with. That's important for sure. If they need me for anything, or if I have to pay money, which I'm hoping I don't, because it should be under warranty. I've only had it a month, maybe 5 weeks now, but no, I don't see having to pay for it.